With Bluetooth hands-free link, drivers can make and receive phone calls through the vehicle's audio system without having to take their eyes off the road or their hands off the steering wheel. Before you can begin the pairing procedure, the vehicle must be parked. To pair your phone for the first time, open the phone app from the vehicle's home screen. When the system prompts you to add a new phone, touch Connect New Device. In your phone settings, ensure Bluetooth is turned on and then select your vehicle's Bluetooth name from the list. When the system issues a pairing code on screen, make sure it matches the code displayed on the phone. Note that your phone may ask for permission to sync contacts and favorites with the vehicle. A screen will appear on your vehicle asking which Bluetooth features you'd like to enable for this device. Select Connect when you're ready to continue. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. This may include enabling Honda Link Assist, which allows your phone to automatically contact emergency services in the event of an accident. To pair additional phones to the vehicle, first, select the Settings button from the phone app, then select Change Devices. Once you select Connect New Device, follow the same on-screen steps as with the initial phone setup. You can also visit the Change Devices page anytime to set the pairing priority of connected phones. Since only one Bluetooth device can be paired at a time, simply select the checkbox of the phone you wish to prioritize when multiple phones are detected inside the vehicle. To make outgoing calls while connected to Bluetooth hands-free link, press the Talk button without holding it to activate your vehicle's integrated voice recognition system. When prompted, speak your command. For example, you could say, "Call Carlos," and the system will start an outgoing call using your Bluetooth connection. When receiving an incoming call, an audible alert sounds and the incoming call screen appears in the driver instrument cluster. You can either ignore or answer calls by rolling the left selector wheel on the steering wheel and pressing inwards on the desired choice. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.